Hi everyone, how are you? I hope you're really well. It's a lovely day here in the UK. Today is a special day. It's my Hong Kong Magic Launch Bay pack. This is the second time I've got this box and I'm so excited. I do the Hong Kong edition, so they're all Hong Kong pins. So I've got 6 pins, 5 open edition and 1 limited edition. So join me on the other side of the intro and let's see which pins I've got this time. Take it away, Maestro. I absolutely love pins from Hong Kong. There's just something really special about them. I love the bling, I love the shine, I love the fact that they're different. And yes, I can get them, but the fact that they come in a box. Now this box isn't a subscription box at the moment. It's a box that you go in and it's a one-off box, so you can purchase it as and when you want it. So if you're having a good month, you can maybe buy 2, a bad month, miss 1. So that's really great. I am hoping that they do a subscription service because I think it's absolutely phenomenal what they're offering for the price that they're offering. These have all got a discount because I just hit it before the end of March, so mine were about $38 I think, with free shipping there or thereabouts. I think it's gone up to about 42, is it? Can't quite remember in shipping. I don't know because I haven't clicked on that yet. But go find them, the Magic Launch Bay website. I'll put the link down below. You send them an email and then they tell you what to do and how to then start purchasing off them. Once you've had one, then you just send messages on Instagram and it's so easy. And they're so lovely, really lovely people. And I just think it's absolutely fabulous. Mystery pins, and for anyone in the States or who's lucky enough to go to the States a lot or has pickups over there, to get a subscription box, it's really difficult because the chances are what you bought will be in your box. So okay, at the minute, I am buying a lot of Hong Kong pins, but these are, sometimes they're older ones and some of the sets I haven't got, so fingers crossed. But if not, they always make fabulous traders, don't they? So shall we have a look? Let's have a look, see what's in here. Right. So I have got a Mickey carrot. That's lovely. Right, okay, I'll read to you what it says. Dear Karen, it's certainly our pleasure to see your repeat order, which is the best support to let us know you enjoyed our service. We hope you will like this box this time too. Tell us what you think about it. Thank you very much and looking forward to having your order again and again. From Magic Launch Bay. Isn't that lovely? And I mean, that takes some writing. That's not printed, that's handwritten. And I just think it's a personal touch as I like. I think that's really special. So, right, let's have a look. Oh, and I love it because look, this is what they do. They put them, can you see they're upside down in the box? So I can look and I don't know what it is. So it just keeps the mystery a bit longer. So, what have we got? Oh, I've got this full set, but it doesn't matter because these are fabulous traders. So I have got the Judy Hopps Teacups pin. Look at that. Isn't she stunning? And the glitter, this is one of the first pins that got me actually hooked on the Hong Kong pins, because look at the glitter in that pin. Isn't she fabulous? And they've got their own backing card. Isn't that fabulous? Oh, you can probably hear in the background, everyone's got their lawnmowers out because it's a lovely day. I have artificial grass, I don't know. I do. Right, so on the back here, what's it got? So it's got the Disney Parks, Disney Pin Trader. If in doubt, get your magnifying glass out. Right, it's got Disney Pin Trading logo. You've got the Hong Kong Disney pin. You've got, this is number 8 of 12, and you've got the fact number on the bottom. So you've got all of that on the back of your pin. Isn't that fabulous? I love these. So I'm not at all disappointed with that, because that's a fabulous trader. And where am I going in August? I'm going to the Epcot pin event. So I need as many good traders as I can get. So that's fabulous. So that's the first one. Right, next. I haven't got this one. Oh, this is really lovely. I saw other people getting these, and yeah, I really like these. I really like this. I have got the little Figaro Hidden Mickey. These are the new Hidden Mickey baby pins, aren't they? And I haven't got any of these, and that's fabulous. That's Figaro, isn't it? Oh, isn't that pretty? And it's got on here, this is number, let's get my magnifying glass. This is 3 of 12 Hidden Mickey pin. And it's got all the other information, the same as the other on the back. You've got the FAQ, you've got the pin trading logo, you've got Hong Kong Disneyland. So you've got all of that on there. But isn't she's really lovely. Oh, I'm really thrilled with that. Really, really thrilled with that. See, things like this, unless you buy every single release that they have in Hong Kong, you wouldn't get, would you? And I think that's what makes this so, so special. Right, okay. And I know the red back ones, I know that they are all your regular open editions, not your limited edition pins, so. I've got this one as well. I'm a devil because I get all the pretzel and the popcorn ones. But look, I've got another Lotso, and he's a really fabulous trader. So I've got Lotso and Judy Hop, so I don't mind them at all because they're fabulous traders. This was a set. I did the teacups, then the lollipops, and then I did the popcorn and pretzels. And I prefer this to the lollipop set because it's got glitter in it. But I really, really like that one. So I've got lots. So right, next. So we've got 2 more. Ooh. This is adorable. This is really, really adorable. I've not seen this. Oh, look. Mickey and Minnie. I haven't seen this. We'll take the back off and have a closer look. Isn't that pretty? Can you see at the bottom it says, launch the Pin Madness worldwide. Well, that's what we're doing, isn't it, with all these pin videos. Look at that. Right, let's have a look closer. What's it? So this is just a regular pin. It's got the FAQ number on the bottom, Disneyland, Hong Kong and pin trading. So it is just a regular pin, but I have not seen this, so I don't know, is it an older pin? Is it a younger pin? But isn't that adorable with the flowers and the rainbow? Got rainbow flowers. Oh, that's really pretty. Sun and butterflies. That's like a real spring pin, isn't it? It's a real spring going into summer pin. That's really pretty. I really like that one. And it's just an open edition pin, but I just dropped it, caught between my knees, and there's not a back on it. So anyway, I've now got a punctured knee. Oh dear me. Now if I showed you, you'd see the blue blood because you know I'm royalty. Yeah, right, okay, right, so then I've got, now this is the dilemma. Okay, I have got 2 pins with different backs, so I'm not going to do the limited edition one. I'm going, okay, I think this must be a current pin, it must be. Oh, that's really lovely. Oh, look, it's a Duffy. It's Duffy. Oh, I got Mickey's teddy bear Duffy because I'm going to Japan. And look, his little cup there, can you see? Is that a cup? It's a cup with a little bear popping up. And it's like in the, it's 3D, it's like a rubber element. Couldn't think then what it was called, but it's 3D, it's a rubber element, look. Oh, isn't that fabulous? And this one, let's have a look. This is just a regular, yeah, it's just a regular pin, but I really like that. I haven't got any of these. On the back, there you go. That's so pretty. I really love this service. I think it's absolutely phenomenal. Phenomenal. It's one of them words, isn't it? No, I really love that. So just check there isn't a bonus pin. You never know, do you? Right, and then I've got my limited edition one and I can't see what it is. And last time I got Woody Egg. So I wonder what I got this time. So I'm taking it out of the packet and I'll show you first. Ooh, it's not an egg because I can feel. Right, what have we got? Oh my word. Oh my word. Okay, I've just had goosebumps, you know, what do they call it? Shivers. Oh, it's just gone down my neck. Oh, this you couldn't get. Now, I hadn't tried to because I don't collect Disney dogs, which I should do because I've got 3 little Havanese dogs of my own, so I should do. But I know you couldn't get this for love nor money, and I cannot believe this is in my box. That's amazing. Oh, and oh, get the shivers again. This is amazing. Oh my word. Oh, how amazing. Right, so it's got limited edition of 500. It's got the fact number. It's got Disneyland Hong Kong with pin trading, and it's 4 of 8. Oh, I love this. Oh, if you're watching, and I hope you are, but if any other ones of these, I'd love put my order in. Well, you got me cheeky, haven't you? Look at this, Lady and the Tramp. Oh, isn't that beautiful? And it's glass. And the paw prints. I mean, that is just stunning. And look, you've got everything on the back. That is just absolutely stunning. Oh, that's made my day. That has truly made my day. That's truly made my day. So if you think about it, my pins I've got 2 from Mystery. Let me get this right. I've got the 2 from Mystery boxes. I've got a hidden Mickey. I've got 2 regular pins, and I've got a limited edition, and I paid $38, and that included free shipping. That's just amazing. That really is amazing. If you haven't tried them out, go and try them out. They're such lovely people. And I confused them this time. Instead of putting my home address, I put the PO box address. And she contacted me to make sure I'd done it right. And it's really lovely, isn't it? Really lovely, and I'm thrilled. And funny enough, I've got another box on the way. I just snuck it in before the 31st of March, I did. But what I have done, because I think I love this. It's proper mystery, and it's a really lovely pin mystery service, because you don't know what you're getting, do you? And yeah, I love this. So in my phone going forward, when there's offers on, I'll order more. But every month in my phone, it's got a date, and that's when I'll contact them and I'll order my next box. So I get one of these every month until such a time as I can sign up and they've got a subscription, because I just think it's amazing. So if you haven't already, go check them out. But look what I got. I love it. Oh, I hope you've enjoyed this. Be good, be kind. Take care of yourselves. And I'll see you really soon. Bye for now, everyone. Bye.